United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. And today, I'm on board a Sea Ray 400 Express, and it's powered by Caterpillar diesels. It's a 1993 model, and this is an interactive tour. So, having said that, you control the camera, either mouse pad, your finger, or by tilting your phone around. So, we're going to keep this tour to under 3 minutes, and allow time, though, however, to get through the whole boat. So here we are in the back cockpit. Have a look around. There's ample seating for all your guests and family. The full camper top's in very good condition, as is the upholstery. Have a look at the floor. You have some removable sea deck-like carpeting. So, let's have a move forward. Now, right where I'm setting the camera is actually the engine bay. These are not V-drives. These are Caterpillar 3126 straight inboards. The generator is located at the back of the boat. Now, the Helm is here next to you. Features some upgraded electronics, like the Raymarine GPS chart plotter. Also has autopilot, an updated Fusion stereo. Has the 12-volt center windscreen. Has windlass as well. It's dual zone air conditioning to boot, so lots of cool down below. And here we go. Hardwood floors. Have a look around. Set the camera here. Lots of workspace in the galley. Has to check my time. We have a very unique guest suite on this boat that actually has hard door enclosures. By day, it's a beautiful seating area, and by night, you can make this into a bunk. So, sleeps two. Hard door to the master suite. Have a look around. Easy in and out of that bed. And let's move towards the nice size head area here. With separate shower stall, vacuum flush head system. Okay. Again, we will just set the camera down. Have a look at the galley. Has a nice little seating area here. Double door refrigerator. Over in this corner, you have the main electrical panel for this boat. The dual shore power hookups, controls for the generator. So, here it is. It's a 1993 Sea Ray 400 Express, diesel powered. Very good condition. Offered for sale by United City Yachts. More details can be found at our website, unitedcityyachts.com. Please reach out, send me an email, give me a call. I'm Greg Piper. Thanks for watching.